Hello, welcome to Math 170 Fall Semester 2022. I am your instructor, Marilyn Cortez. Okay, so when you go to your dashboard, you should see these two tiles, Math 170 and Math 170S. This one here is a support course. You need to make sure that you are enrolled in both of these courses in order to receive credit for Math 170. Okay, Math 170, you will be receiving a letter grade, A, B, C, D, or F. Math 170S is a pass, no pass grade. Okay, all right, so let's get started. If you click on the Math 170 tile, you will see the welcome page here. And so it's a quick little welcome. It asks you to watch this video. Over here, I have modules. Here, let me switch to student view because I have a ton of things listed here, but as a student, you won't have all of that. So let's go ahead and go to student view. Nice and clean. Okay, so when you click on it, this is what you will see. You will have a home page, which will take you to here, a link to take you to the syllabus, one for the modules, and one for NetTutor. This is our online tutoring service that we have, which is connected to our study center, which is downstairs on the first floor of the math building. Okay, so when you get here, I list all of the different modules that I have, and all of these modules here are listed there. You can access them as well right here. I have one for attendance, so even though we are an asynchronous class and we won't be meeting online on Zoom or in person on campus, I am required to take attendance, but instead of doing it twice a week, we're only going to do it once a week. And so if you click here on attendance, it will take you to attendance quizzes, or they're really just surveys. Okay, so you just have to take those. This will be available on 8/29. And it will be due on September 1st. So I will try to publish them on Sundays. That way you have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to take this survey. But you do need to take it by Thursday morning, Thursday 6 a.m. Okay? I will try to email you if I don't see that you've taken the survey yet. Or I will try to text you. Okay? All right, let's go back to the home page. Okay, so it's very important that you do take the attendance survey because you will be dropped on the 4th absence. Okay? We have homework, we have quizzes, we have tests, and we have a final exam. If you want to know how my weighted grading system works, you can click there. All of the stuff that you will be doing, homework, quizzes, tests, and final, all of those will be done on a different platform, not here on Canvas, at least for Math 170. Math 170, we're going to be using WebAssign for our platform, so you will need to purchase an account, which will cost about $120. Okay, and you will be able to, which is about the cost of the brand new book. You don't need the actual hard copy book because once you purchase your WebAssign account and enroll in my class, you'll have access to the electronic version of the book. Okay? So if you want more information, you can just click there. Okay, so homework, quizzes, tests, and final will all be on WebAssign. The Remind app, I use that to send out text messages announcing like anything about a quiz or a test. This is really nice for a lot of the students who don't check their email often or you're super busy and you're still trying to figure out how to manage your busy schedule, and you don't want to miss a quiz or a test, you should sign up to get my announcements through text messaging. Okay, if you click here, it tells you what to do. So over here, here's the Remind app, how to sign up. Okay, so if you want to receive my announcements, my reminders, then all you have to do is you don't have to download any apps. You just have to text message this to this number, okay? And then you'll be part of the thread. And whenever you respond to any of my announcements, only I will receive your text. Nobody else will. Okay. Okay, and this is also how you can ask me questions about the lecture videos or the homework, anything like that. Okay, let me go back to the home page. Okay, so all of these things can be found under modules, okay, or just by clicking over here. The pacing calendar can be found over here or here. Okay, it's under the homework module. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's just go over to the modules so you can see what I'm talking about. So when you click on modules, you'll see one for attendance. There's information about it, and then all of the attendance surveys will be listed here. Okay, homework, there's homework information like how much are homework assignments worth and how does that work. And then here's the calendar. So let's go ahead and click there. This is nice. I think as a student, I appreciate a calendar so I can figure out how to manage my time best. And that way I don't have any surprises, like any surprise assignments or a quiz or a test that was emailed and I totally missed the email. So this is nice. You can see when you have assignments. So like here, this is the day you have 1.1 assignment. This is when you have 1.2 assignment. Okay, and their due dates are pretty much 1 week later. Okay. And then there's holiday 1.3. So 1.3 will be due on the 14th. And all of this will be on your on WebAssign on your homepage. It'll list all of the assignments that are due that week. Okay. Let's see. So your first test is on the 28th. You have another test over here. It tells you when you have a quiz. Your quiz is also on WebAssign, and I make them available 1 week before the test. So you have a week to take the quiz. It'll take your best score. You have 100 attempts, and it's really made so that you can practice and get ready for the test. If you take the quiz, there shouldn't be any surprises on the test. Okay, and then so it's pretty much you have a test at the end of every 2 chapters, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and then you have a final exam. All right, let's see. Again, under the modules, you'll have all of these things here: attendance, homework, quizzes. Your quizzes are not here. If you click on any of these, it just gives you information about it. But I put this here because some of you guys look for everything on Canvas. If you click here, it just tells you a little bit about the quiz. It's going to be available on 9/21 at 6 a.m. It'll be due on 9/28 at 6 a.m. It's on WebAssign. Okay, submissions allowed 100, and your high score will be recorded. Okay. All right. So those are quizzes. Same thing with tests. I list the dates here just so that you are aware of it. But again, if you click on it, it tells you the same thing like quizzes. It's open at this time and it closes. The difference between the quizzes and the test, the quiz, you have a week to complete, and you have 100 attempts. Over here for the test, you only have, it's only available from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. And when you start it, you have a 3-hour limit, and you don't have 100 attempts. You actually only have one attempt. So as soon as you enter your answer and move on to the next problem, you cannot go back to any previous problem. Okay, so just make sure you double check your answers before you hit submit. And I'll be reminding you of that as the first test comes around. And then you have your final exam. That's just information about it. Grading, my grading scale. How to sign up for the Remind app, we did that. And WebAssign. So this is how to, this is information about it. And then this is the steps you need to create an account. Okay. Try to create your account ASAP because, like you saw on the calendar, we have homework on the very first day. Okay, and to create an account, you click here. I give you the steps, and you do need this code here. Where is it? Okay, so you're going to need all of this. You need a computer, you need the internet, you need an email, you need a credit card with $119 available, and you'll need a class key, which I provide. Okay, the class key is right here. El Camino 2829-7623. Okay, and then once you join the class, you should see this information. Math 170-0833, instructor Marilyn Cortez. Okay, so make sure you sign up for your account. Okay, also in the module section are my videos, my video lectures, and let's go down here. Okay, so there's the WebAssign information there. Okay, so over here you'll have your Chapter 1 lecture videos. I try to keep them short, so you'll see like 1.1. Most of them will have two parts, and they're about, I don't know, maybe 15-20 minutes long. And then here is the module for Chapter 2 videos. I only have 2.1 posted so far. Okay, so Canvas, you'll be using Canvas to access my lecture videos. They are on YouTube. Okay, so it will open up a new tab, a YouTube link. But that's pretty much it for Canvas because, like I said, everything else, your homework, your quizzes, your tests, they will be on WebAssign. So come to Canvas to take attendance, and then and watch the videos. Make sure you take notes, okay? And then NetTutor, make sure you use NetTutor to access any help you need, okay? Yeah, so that is about it. If you have any questions, just email me. If you feel like emailing or texting me is not sufficient and you want to meet on Zoom, we can do that too. So I've had students ask me to meet them on Zoom and explain how to sign up on WebAssign, create an account, okay? So we can do that too. All right. And then, so that's going to be here for Math 170. Okay, if you take a look over here at your Math 170S course, that is the one with the support. Okay, so let me quickly go over that. This is the pass, no pass part of the class. And so it's just this one little intro here. Let me go to student view. Okay, so here, all of your quizzes, all of the modules will be here, and your quizzes. Okay, so, okay, I haven't published it. Okay, so let's see if the modules will show up. Okay, so here are the different modules, module 1, 2, Okay? There are 14, and they all end with a quiz. Okay? So all you have to do is take all of the quizzes. They are all available on the first day of class. So August 29th, all of the quizzes are available, and all of the quizzes are due on the last day of class, which is December 14th. So even though we're an asynchronous class, I'm going to keep it organized by treating it like a Monday, Wednesday class so that all of your quizzes fall on a Monday or a Wednesday. You have to take attendance by, Wednesday night or Thursday, 6 a.m. And our last day will be on a Wednesday, December 14th. Okay? So all the quizzes are here. You can start taking them starting August 29th. And just try to keep up with them. I think if you're really busy, a good time to work on these quizzes are like right after we have a test, because you take the test and then you have a few days where we don't have any assignments. So you can do some of these quizzes instead. Okay? All right. Again, if you have any questions, just contact me. All right, let's have a great semester. I look forward to working with all of you.